Ever wondered which parameters are assessed in a vehicle health card during car servicing? Welcome to Factful Fridays. In this episode, we continue our deep dive into the vehicle health card and take a closer look at what all is being inspected in your car. With advanced diagnostic tools and Maruti Suzuki trained technicians, every critical component in your car is thoroughly inspected and precisely recorded. So what exactly is being inspected in your vehicle health card? Let's take a closer look. Let's begin with the control module, the brain of your car. They read every signal, think in milliseconds, and command the systems that protect your safety and shape your comfort. All major control modules that includes ACM, BCM, power steering control module and many more are scanned using advanced diagnostic tool to assess overall performance of your vehicle. Now, meet the heart of your car, the engine, the source of every pulse of power. From fluids and filters to hoses, mountings and manifolds, all critical checkpoints are thoroughly inspected and recorded in a vehicle health card, giving you a clear view of what needs close monitoring. With the engine verified, we move on to the electricals. From the battery and wiring harness to lighting, wipers, motor and horns, every component is carefully checked and noted in your vehicle health card, highlighted in green, amber and red, so you know what's healthy and what needs attention. Do you know we perform a detailed 23-point inspection on your steering, suspension and brakes? From brake pad thickness to suspension struts, arms and steering components, every critical check is done to maintain ride comfort and overall stability. Altogether, we perform over 60 detailed checkpoints, summarized in one easy-to-understand report, showing what's working well and what needs to be repaired soon. That's how the vehicle health card helps you stay informed and confident every time you service your car. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized workshop to get your vehicle health card with periodic vehicle servicing. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay protected, stay informed. See you next Friday.